country. So, pasalamatan natin siya by defending and protecting him because nga, when you take a principled stand in a country that's run by criminals like Bongbong Marcos and Martin Romualdez, it's going to cost you, no? Talagang look at Colonel Grijaldo, no? Nagsalita
Yeah.
siya yung totoo, principled stand. 6 months naka-detain siya, no? At saka yung no, sa madaling salita, no, ang Rappler, marami kasing maganda talaga dito. I find all of this interesting kasi ang Rappler kasi anti-Marcos supposedly yan. Pero nakikita natin ngayon, part na siya, no? Magkaibigan na sila. Krappler loves Marcos. Di dati, pag nagsasalita ang Krappler, pag nagsusulat siya, yung pangalan ni Bongbong Marcos, ang haba, di ba? The dictator son, the plunderer son, Bongbong Marcos. Pero ngayon, love na love sila, di ba? Kasi nga, kunsyaba na sila, di ba? And now, despite that long list, no? Ang sininggle out ay yung hindi nga si Cheese Escudero ang may kontrata doon, di ba? Pero dinikit sa kanya. So, you
Dinikit sa
see,
kanya.
mga kababayan, this is the way society works, no? You, and I really think this is not just in the Philippines, it's all over the world, no? It's all over the world. And I also believe that this is what the world is for. It's not here to it's not a place for truth and nobility and ganun, but it's a place where you're tested.